Hey there, I'm Sam with Clean Sweep 317, and I'm on site today. We're doing some restoration work to this chimney here behind me. Do you have some leaky issues going on with your chimney or some damaged masonry or mortar around your home? Let me show you something. The mortar on a typical house like this, over time, it'll get really old and highly porous. And you can see I'm literally raking out this mortar from this home right now. That's very typical, and that could be going on to your home right now. The way that we restore that is we grind out those joints and we infiltrate it with brand new, solid, well-sealed, watertight mortar joints. That's gonna significantly cut down on the amount of water that you can be getting into your chimney or your home. So if you notice that you're having sandy joints or mortar that's starting to pop out, give us a call today. We'll do what we're doing right here by grinding out those joints and infiltrating it with brand new, watertight mortar. Give us a call.